Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the gaming benchmark test comparison between the Realme X1 Max device versus Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge. The Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge, which has got the Dimensity 920 chipset, and Realme X1 Max device, which has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. And let's see regarding the gaming benchmark, which phone will be having what kind of results. And during this time, I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. So without any high performance mode, we'll try to do the test. And second time we'll try to use high performance mode and we'll try to do the test. So in this way we'll be able to exactly understand what's happening between these two phones regarding the gaming benchmarks. So this is a gaming benchmark application, friends, which is designed. So right now this there will be a video which will be playing in a loop continuously, and there's a different quality settings you can actually select from: medium, low and high as well, and ultra graphics. As you can see, ultra graphics you can actually select. So the higher graphics you select, the FPS will be definitely struggle to maintain. Right now I did reset the FPS count as well. So let me to start the test device at the same time. So both phones started with the test. Now what you need to do is that you need to just focus only on this real-time FPS meter, how much you are getting between these both phones, average how much it's maintaining, and the highest, which one has got what kind of highest FPS. And you can see the real-time FPS 26, 29, 30, 33, 35. It's increasing and decreasing depending on the simulation of this benchmark. So without using any high performance mode, right now I'm gonna do this kind of testing. And you can see, friends, both phones are maintaining pretty kind of close regarding the average benchmarks. 30 average and 31 average. Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge on the top and Realme X1 Max in the bottom one. So right now the average increased in the Realme X1 Max. It went up to 33 and 34 as well, whereas the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge was about 30 FPS. So this is the overall gaming benchmark comparison, friends. So this test is gonna take some time. So maybe at least only 1 minute of time this test will continue. So right now try to focus. So there's a difference of 2 to 3 FPS is there difference between these two phones at this moment. As you can clearly see, friends. So after this test I'll try to use the high performance mode and then I'll try to do the test again. So in this way we'll be able to understand exactly what's going on between these two phones. So we are in the final stage and you can see the average 33 FPS and 32 FPS it's maintaining, average, not bad. So right now, as you can see, it's maintaining 31 and 32 FPS. So this is a complete test without using any kind of high performance mode. So this is the final score which we got. Average is pretty similar. So nothing much huge difference between these both phones, because average we got 31 and 32 average. Now let me close this game and let's turn on the high performance mode. So between these both phones, I'll try to turn on the high performance mode because both phones are having the high performance mode option in the battery settings. And high performance mode is turned on. So right now we'll try to see, is there any change gonna be there using this kind of high performance mode. So all the apps are completely clear from the background, and is the gaming benchmark application. So completely using with high performance mode and using with ultra graphics. As you can see, ultra graphics, maximum graphics I'm trying to select. Let's start the test this time. So right now we should be able to see the average, what's happening between these two phones. So using with the high performance mode. So try to observe carefully during this process of demonstration, friends. So which was maintaining 28 FPS and 26 FPS. So overall it was able to maintain pretty high in the Realme X1 Max. 38 average we are getting. That's very high, friends, comparing with the 30. So using the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max, it's gonna give you really better results. Can you see for yourself how much difference it's there between these two phones regarding the FPS? That's a huge difference, right? Like 7 FPS difference is there using with high performance mode and without high performance mode. So this is the kind of change which I'm trying to talk about in my videos, comparing both phones. I'm gonna be back after some time. So finally, as you can see, at the end of the test results, this is the FPS count, which is 38 average and 33 average. So definitely the average has been increased in the Realme X1 Max by using the high performance mode in this segment. That's what this video is about, conclusion is. So in case if you're playing any kind of games, try to use the high performance mode and play the game. You might be able to feel a little kind of smoother in terms of the gameplay experience. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and meanwhile signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.